Hello guys, welcome again to our video tutorials. So today our topic is all about ideal gas law. And here is our sample problem. An automobile tire with a volume of 0.8 cubic meter is inflated to a gauge pressure of 250 kilopascals. Find the mass of the air in the tire if the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So we have our given here, volume is equal to 0.8 and the pressure is 250 kilopascal. Since that is a gauge pressure, we need to add an atmospheric pressure which is 101.325 kilopascals, and we have our pressure 351.325 kilopascals times the temperature. Since it is in degrees Celsius, we need to add 273.15 in order to get the value of it in Kelvin. So we need to find the mass of the air. Since our pressure, volume, and temperature is given, we can use the ideal gas equation, which is PV is equal to nRT. So first, we will solve for the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to the pressure 351.325 times 0.8 cubic meter over the universal gas constant 8.314 kilojoule per kilogram mole Kelvin times the temperature 298.15 Kelvin. Since there is a kPa or kilopascal and kilojoule in our units, in order to cancel out the units properly, we need to convert the kilopascal to kilonewton per squared meter, and the kilojoule converted it into kilonewton meter. So looking at our units, we can cancel out all all the units except the kilogram. So our number of mole is equal to 0.1134 kilogram mole of air. So we're looking for the mass. So in order to get the mass, we need to times the number of mole into the molecular weight of air. So mass is equal to 0.1134 kilogram mole of air times the molecular weight of air, which is 29 kilogram mole. So our mass is equal to 3.29 kilogram, which is our final answer.